Hello friends. So today we will discuss one very important operator which is AND operator. So the AND operator is used with where or having clause, and this operator selects data if all the conditions are true. So the where clause can contain one or many AND operators, and the AND operator is used to filter records based on more than one condition. For example, we want to select all the records where classes 10th and marks in maths greater than 70. So as usual, if you have seen previous videos as well, as we have created one table named marks, and we are trying to understand all the operators from that particular table itself. So this is the query that we will try to understand for AND operator. Select star from marks where classes 10th and maths is greater than 70. So this query essentially means I want all the column from marks table where classes 10th as well as marks in maths greater than 70. So for AND both the condition needs to be true. So if any of the condition is not fulfilling, that particular row or record will not come in our result set. So let's understand it from the management studio. So this is the table that we have created where 5 fields are there: name, physics, chemistry, maths and class. Now I want all the records from this table where classes 10th as well as maths, marks in maths are greater than 70. So let's execute this query. Yeah. So if you execute this query, you can see two records are coming, Barak and Tony, and both are studying in 10th. So if you have seen the query carefully, you can see Utsav also studies in class 10th, Utsav, but Utsav is not coming in the result set when I'm executing this query, because Utsav is not having marks in maths greater than 70. Utsav is having marks in maths as 61, which is less than 70. So this particular row is not coming in the result set, and this is coming. So this is how AND operator works, and so it's very important for you to note that AND operator gives only those records where both the conditions are fulfilled. If any of the condition is not fulfilled, then that particular row will not come. And if we want all such rows where either of the condition holds true, then we need to use OR operator. In that scenario, we can't use AND operator. So we have seen this query. Now this is the syntax, although we have already seen in SQL Management Studio, but this is the syntax. Select column 1 separated by column 2, then column 3 and so on from table name. So the here we will give the name of the table where. So we use where clause with AND. Then condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3 and so on. So this is the syntax. AND versus OR. So as I already told you that the AND operator displays a record if all the conditions are true. If any of the condition is not true, then that particular row will not come in the final result set. Whereas the OR operator displays a record if either of the conditions are true. So we will see in the in next video when we will discussing OR operator that how that holds true. Now we can also combine and or. So although we are going to discuss or in our next video, or operator in our next video, but for your understanding, we can combine and or operator. And the syntax is like this: select star from the name of the table where condition 1 and condition 2 or condition 3. So this essentially means that uh, so after and we can see there is a bracket. So condition 1 and this particular combine needs to be true, and condition 2 और condition 3 में कोई भी एक condition अगर fulfill हो रही है that will be matching with the condition 1. condition 2 और condition 3 में से कोई एक condition fulfill होगी that will work, दोनों होंगी that will also work. So we will try to understand this from again example. So I have written this query: select star from marks where classes 10th and maths greater than 70 or chemistry greater than 60. uh, we don't necessarily means we can have a condition जहाँ पे मैथ्स में मार्क्स 70 से कम है, बट उस केस में केमिस्ट्री में मार्क्स 60 से ज़्यादा होने ही चाहिए. और अगर केमिस्ट्री में 60 से ज़्यादा है तो मैथ्स में 70 से ज़्यादा होंगे, दैट रिकॉर्ड विल कम. बट अगर 70 से कम है बट केमिस्ट्री में 60 से ज़्यादा है, इवन दैट रिकॉर्ड विल कम, बिकॉज और में कोई एक कंडीशन भी अगर होती है तो द रिकॉर्ड कम्स. बट जो फाइनल हमारा इसका आउटपुट आएगा दैट विल बी मैच्ड विद दिस क्लास 10th और जो भी हमारा रिकॉर्ड आ रहा है. यहाँ पे जो भी रिकॉर्ड आएगा वो दोनों मैच होने जरूरी हैं और फुलफिल होने जरूरी हैं, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग एंड ऑपरेटर. So let's understand this from example. Yeah. So we are having this query: select star from marks where class is 10th and maths is grade. Let's execute this query. So if I'm executing this query, you can see classes 10th for all these and marks in maths are greater than 70. Here you can see marks in maths are greater than 70. और केमिस्ट्री में यहाँ पे यू कैन सी 60 से कम भी हैं, बट स्टिल इट्स कमिंग बिकॉज और यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है. सो जब और यूज़ होता है तो आई ईदर ऑफ द कंडीशन कैन बी ट्रू एंड रिजल्ट विल कम. देन यू सी यहाँ पे मैथ्स में मार्क्स 70 से कम है बट केमिस्ट्री में 60 से ज़्यादा है, सो दैट्स वाई दिस रिकॉर्ड इज कमिंग. बट क्योंकि क्लास 10th के साथ एंड यूज़ हो रहा है, सो यू कैन सी कि हैं सभी क्लास 10th में. देर इज़ नॉट इवन अ सिंगल रिकॉर्ड जहाँ पे क्लास 10th ना हो कि कोई और क्लास है, नो. So this is how we use this particular query, and we have combined and or both. One more thing, for example, if we remove this bracket, in this case you can see we have removed the bracket. Then in that scenario, AND will be executing first, as AND has a higher precedence than OR. So that means first this query will be executed: class equal to 10th and marks in maths greater than 70. And once this condition is fulfilled, that will be matching with OR condition where marks in chemistry can be greater than 60 and class can be, and both this condition. So we will understand this with example as usual. Yeah, so this is the query that I have written. See, class 10th and marks in maths should be greater than 70. Yeah, so yeah, so फर्स्ट तो हमारी ये कंडीशन आएगी जहाँ पे क्लास 10th है और मार्क्स इन मैथ्स ग्रेटर देन 70 है. बट और भी हमने यूज़ किया है, और केमिस्ट्री ग्रेटर देन 60. सो दिस मीन्स केमिस्ट्री जहाँ तो यू कैन नोट जहाँ पे क्लास 10th नहीं है वहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री में मार्क्स 60 से ज़्यादा है. सो ऑल दिस फॉर ऑल दिस रिकॉर्ड्स यू कैन सी के सॉरी दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम केमिस्ट्री में मार्क्स 60 से ज़्यादा है इन सभी रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए. और बाकी में आप देख सकते हैं मार्क्स मैथ्स में 70 से ज़्यादा हैं एंड क्लास 10th है. बट केमिस्ट्री में 60 से यहाँ पे कम है क्योंकि मैथ्स में मार्क्स 70 से ज़्यादा हैं. और ये रिकॉर्ड इसलिए हमारा आ रहा है क्योंकि केमिस्ट्री में यहाँ पे 60 से ज़्यादा मार्क्स हैं. ऑल्दो मैथ्स में मेरे मार्क यहाँ पे हमारे मार्क्स 61 हैं, विच इज़ लेस देन 70. So this is how this particular query is being executed. So although we are not discussing OR here, but for your reference you can see if I execute this query where I am giving the condition where class is 10th or maths greater than 70, that means दोनों कंडीशन फुलफिल हों एट अ टाइम, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरीली रिक्वायर्ड, क्लास 10th हो या मार्क 70 हो या दोनों हो, both all the three cases will be coming in the final result set. Yeah, so if you see class 10th भी है और class 12th भी है, क्योंकि मैथ्स के मार्क्स इसमें 70 से ज़्यादा है. So this is how OR operator works. So that was all about AND operator that we have discussed right now. We will discuss about OR operator in the next video. I hope you are finding the videos useful, and if you feel these are adding any value to your learning, please subscribe the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.